Hicks Morley Law Firm, HOSSEIN MOGHTADERI, Damages My Experience, Part 5. Attending another imaging clinic on July 18, 2019. Results from Vauden X-ray and ultrasound. Guess what happened? It said no fracture. X-ray recommended diagnostic ultrasound assessment of tendons to rule out decavin tenosynovitis. Okay, here's my proof. The proof in the pudding. Okay, Vauden X-ray and ultrasound. I went there on July 18, 2019, and then it says I told the doctor, Dr. Malik, that I had a motor vehicle accident, right? So he did indicate motor vehicle accident on his requisition. Okay, however, the good thing is I could the imaging clinic was located downstairs of his office. So I got the x-ray done on the same date. See the results here, service date 18. Okay, and I got the x-ray done that date, and it indicated it says here motor vehicle accident, decavin tenosynovitis, right? Reason because the carpal bone, it says here, the result says the carpal bones are intact. My bones are intact. Okay, no evidence of fracture or dislocation. Didn't GDI Medical Clinic said that there is a whatever the word is, commutated or whatever the word is, fracture, and it says recent fracture. I had no fracture. However, it says here, based off the x-ray, the x-ray said recommend diagnosis ultrasound assessment of the tendons to rule out decavin tenosynovitis. Go figure, huh? So the following day, not a week later, this was the following day, the 19th of July, 18th of July, 9th of July. This is what I'm used to, the following day or two. Okay, I did an ultrasound of my wrist, and it confirmed that I had tenosynovitis. All right. However, at this point in time, now I guess they figure out things. I don't know, because right now they're talking about, they said the flexor tendons are intact, but they're going to say mild tenosynovitis of the flexor tendons. I did not have flexor tendons. They're talking about the finger or whatever, fingers, okay? Please feel free to pause and read. Thank you. Wait. The saying of MOGHTADERI, Hicks Morley Law, and others realized a problem. They could not keep me silent. This is my situation, and I'm trying to get things rectified, you know? But it's like, whatever they're doing, it's like they don't expect me to find a way through. You understand? And I would tell you, this is all God's doing, eh? This is all God doing, because I did not realize I had all this information back to back to prove my case. Okay? All God's doing. Right? I currently had in my possession 2 different results for my right hand. GDI clinic results, July 9th, says fracture. And Vauden X-ray and ultrasound results, July 18, said no fracture. Okay, as you can see. So when you put them together, comparing them, okay, this was 5th of July 2019, and it did say fracture, recent fracture. Okay, it says chip fracture and all that. Okay, and then here on the 18th of July, when I went and got x-ray done the same day, it says no evidence of fracture. Okay, and the thing is, I gave these 2 to the new lawyer, Mark Law. Yeah, I gave them both. They were used against me. Okay, please feel free to pause and read. Thank you. I did not know. It's like information that I have and was providing, actually they realized that I had enough evidence to actually, put blame on my company, put blame on the system and all that. So they are trying to silence me by any means necessary. Okay, this is a recap. Okay, Their plans were being disrupted. More time was needed. Hence the several postponements of the WSIAT hearing. All right. You can recall when I received the letter from WSIAT dated June 4th, 2019. The first time I'm getting a letter regarding a hearing, okay? After my distorted medical records, as I indicated here, after my medical records were distorted by the Ministry of Health in April 2019, received letter from WSIAT for a hearing date for the first time set for November 1st, 2019. You can recall, right? Then after, okay, I said another letter was received on June 19, 2019, right? This was received after I attended the Urgent Care Clinic for an ultrasound and thorough examination on June 15, 2019, right? I didn't bother with the thorough examination after I realized the deception. So, okay, June 15th, when I went to Dr. Bemo, right? Then I received a letter from WSIAT to postpone hearing, right? The hearing that was set for November 1st was postponed as per request dated June 18, 2019 from HOSSEIN MOGHTADERI. Okay, I'm jogging your memory here. All right. So after June 19, 2019, I didn't receive another letter until June 28, 2019. You notice the gap? Why? The list, and again, I'm jogging your memory. After I attended the GDI Imaging Clinic on June 27, 2019. And was given an appointment for July 5th. Okay, following week. Received letter from WSIAT with new hearing date set for December 17, 2019. So, 4th, then June 2019, then there was another gap, June 28th, because of my movements, okay? So, June 28, 2019, that was a letter after GDI did whatever they need to do. Okay. July 15, 2019, after my ultrasound and x-ray on July 5th, 2019. GDI Imaging Clinic and results dated July 9, 2019 from GDI Imaging Clinic and clinical notes from Dr. Beamer indicating fracture. Received letter from WSIAT to postpone December 17, 2019. And on that same day, July 15, 2019, right, I would say MOGHTADERI, right, I'd sent a letter on July 10 because after Dr. Bemo gave, after the imaging clinic result on July 9th, right, as you can see here, and then Dr. Bemo's clinical notes dated July 10th, right? HOSSEIN MOGHTADERI, right, on July 10th stated that he was unavailable. And the same date of July 15th, they included a new hearing date of July 4th, 2020. Okay? Yeah. Please feel free to pause and read and absorb. If you don't get what I was saying, please feel free to read and absorb and comment if you agree with me that something was amiss, something was wrong. Yeah, please feel free to pause and read. Thank you.